welcome back to Nails by Jen. So in this video today I'm going to be playing with some transfer foils. I see a lot of people have questions about why they're not applying or not going on as full coverage as you would like. The method that I'm doing today, it just seems to work really well. The foils that I'm using, the set that I'm showing right now is from Nail Couture. They're super cute. I'm also going to be using two other ones from iGel Beauty. I'm going to be layering them. The other two that I'm going to be using are from iGel Beauty. They are a black and white lace transfer foils, and I actually got them in the 5 for $15. It was free if you had a certain amount in your order, and I'm actually really excited that I got these because I didn't have any of the lace foils. So here I'm just showing you the black ones. The white lace that I'm using on my other hand, I actually already cut the strip out that I was wanting to use. So when you're working with any kind of gel, you want to lay down a base layer first. So this is all I'm doing. I'm using the base gel from iGel Beauty, and I'm just going to be curing them in my UV LED lamp for about 60 seconds. So I also want to use a color for the background of the foils. So the color that I'm using is Vintage. It is a really pretty mauve taupe, dusty rose kind of color. It's super cute, and this is actually one coat coverage, and I couldn't believe it. I am obsessed with this color. So I'm just going to cure that in my UV LED lamp, and then when that is done, I'm going to use my film glue. So when you're working with film glue, it's pretty tricky, especially if you're not used to it or if it's a new brand, because each brand, different manufacturers, they cure differently. So the easiest way is to just do one thin coat on swatch sticks and just test the different cure times. With this one, I found that 90 seconds is the perfect time, and I can get a full coat coverage of the foil. So all I do is I'm just laying the film glue where I want to put the foil, and here I'm just doing it in different splotches, showing the different part of the design. And then I'm going to go back in with another layer of it, cure it again for 90 seconds, and then I'm going to go in with the black lace from iGel Beauty. And with this, I kind of wanted a little more full coverage, so I'm going to lay it down where I would like the design to be transferred. And then the easiest way for me is to just use your fingernail, push it down really well. I kind of scrape it with the tip of my nail. You can also use a silicone tool. They have all kinds of different tools you can use for it, but my nail just works fine. Just make sure that you scrape it down as much as possible, and then you will get a full transfer. So here I'm just doing it again. I wanted different designs on each nail. So the thinner the film glue you use, the thinner the coat, the better is what I've figured out. You don't want it super thick because then it's not going to cure really well, and the tackier it is, the stickier it is, the better. So that's just all I'm doing here. And then I'm going to be top coating my thumb because transfer foil is super sticky, so if I go to pick it up for another nail, it could transfer a piece of the other design on this finger. So all I'm doing is doing the No Cleanse top coat from iGel Beauty and curing that one real quick. So here I'm going back in with the foil, and I want this one a little more full coverage. it's nail art. It doesn't have to be perfect. Sometimes you'll have a piece that didn't transfer, and it is fine, you guys. Don't beat yourself up over it. It's nail art. It does not have to be perfect. But yeah, this is just, it's a super simple design, and it took me no time to do it. And you guys know I love simple and quick because my kid gives me no time to do my nails and sit for hours and hours and hours when I'm obsessed with nail stuff. I could sit here all day and just do it. But this makes it super quick. The black lace that I'm doing on the pointer finger, I kind of wanted this one. I didn't want this one to be completely perfect, and I thought it looked pretty cool. It looked almost like it was painted on and kind of vintagey. So all I do after that is I am top coating the rest of my nails, and then I'm gonna cure it. I'm doing 2 layers of the top coat because I don't want it to peel, and I didn't use another base layer. So that's all I'm doing here is 2 thin coats of the No Cleanse top coat. So just another tip before you cure your gels in the lamp, you want to clean up around the cuticles beforehand, and this concealer brush from e.l.f. works amazing for this. It fits perfect in the creases around your nail bed. So that's all I'm doing here. Again, everything that I'm using in this video I will have linked down below. The other hand I'm going to be doing a little bit differently, similar but different. The polish that I'm using is really sheer. It's from iGel Beauty as well, and it's just like a really sheer pink, milky kind of pink. So I did 2 layers of that just because it was a little sheer, and then I'm going to be going in with this foil I thought would be super cute, and then the white for my right hand. So again, I am just putting it in different spots, showing different parts of the design on this one. This is kind of my favorite because you can do so much with it. I was lazy this day, and normally I'll put like a painting gel and just kind of draw around the design and just add different things to it, but today I was lazy. So same thing with this finger. I'm just laying it in different spots, showing different parts of the design again. And then my pinky and pointer finger, I am going to be doing the full cover lace. And again, to get a full cover design, lay the foil where you want the design to be transferred, and then rub it down as much as you can. Again, the tip of your nail works just as good. I wouldn't go spend extra money on a tool. You can if you already have them, but the silicone tools work and your finger does exactly the same. So that's all I'm doing, just scraping the crap out of it, and then I will get a good transfer. And I'm going to be doing the same thing on my pinky finger. So here I was just playing around and wanted to try and layer my thumb. Didn't really turn out too well, but oh well, it was super cute anyways. I liked how everything turned out. It's so different, and just playing around with it. Foils are so versatile. But yeah, that's all I'm doing. And then I go in with 2 coats of the No Cleanse top coat. This is my favorite top coat from iGel Beauty. And I bought so much of it, and I'm so excited that I love it because I have so much base gel and No Cleanse top coat. So after I cure everything, I am going to let my nails cool and go in with a cuticle oil because let me tell you guys, my poor cuticles are so beat up. And I was trying out new drill bits and oh, these things, my hands are so dry and everything's cutting them and nicking them, and they just look horrendous. But everything is good now. But that is it, you guys. I told you it was super quick. I'm gonna be giving my nails a break for a couple of weeks and just let them breathe. But yeah, if you guys have any comments, feel free to leave them down below. Also, don't forget to like and share this video. I hope everyone is having an amazing day or night whenever you are watching. Also, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. It is @nailsbyjen. I hope to see everyone in my next video.